It is too expensive to dispose of them, so the cheapest option is landfill.
Leisure or tourism should not have any negative impact on the nature that we are trying to enjoy.
We really need more information to understand the impact these boats are having on the ecosystem.
The boating industry has not got its collective heads together enough to come up with the end-of-life solutions for the products that it produces.
We know very well that our oceans are full of plastic. We're throwing about 1.5 million tons per year. Some of the research that I've done together with my colleagues here in Chichester Harbour is looking at the best method to collect water samples and sediment samples so that we can identify the microplastic in the water. We found this in oysters. We thought, what on earth is this? Tiny tubes, very transparent, about 100 microns, so that's 1/10 of a millimeter, and 7,000 of them in an oyster, collected in December in Chichester Harbour. Those are the glass microfibers.
Hi, my name's Kelsey. I'm a river steward here at the Connecticut River Conservancy. We are a watershed nonprofit for the entire Connecticut River. Volunteer groups who go out and they pick up all kinds of trash. Last year, some volunteers pointed out abandoned boats, and we don't have a great system for dealing with them. We really need more information to understand the impact these boats are having on the ecosystem. How do these boats impact the habitat for fish or birds?
I am John Rowe, a founder and director of the Dead Boat Society. We remove dead boats and debris from our shores in British Columbia, 3,400 kilometers of shoreline. Capital Bay, we've been active here restoring the space since 1996, having removed over 50 vessels and 100 metric tons of debris since then. Our federal and provincial governments view a lot of this debris as just, if it's there and it's not leaking oil or any hydrocarbons, it's really not an issue.
În ultimii ani găsim tot mai multe bărci din fibră de sticlă abandonate, care sunt departe de a fi o atracție. Devin o sursă de poluare din ce în ce mai mare, pe care nimeni nu își dorește să o mai vadă. Vrem pe această cale să tragem un semnal de alarmă, ne dorim ca lumea să înțeleagă cât de nocive sunt bărcile din fibră de sticlă pentru mediul subacvatic și sperăm să vedem din nou pe ape și din ce mai puțin sub ape.
Legend has it that the first 16-foot fiberglass day boat was built in 1953 in the USA, and the material was chosen as it had been successfully used for coffins, which would never rot away under the ground. The boating industry has not got its collective heads together enough to come up with the end-of-life solutions for the products that it produces. It has to come to all industries, including ours, if we are to look forward to a better, environmentally sustainable planet for future generations to enjoy.
We take in boats like this and we dispose of them, and it's not as straightforward as a process as you think, and it's really dirty, filthy work, and actually quite dangerous. Nobody's considering what happens to these boats in 20 years' time. Having a fiberglass that is recyclable would be dramatic.
The root of the problem is the material, the GRP material, and the lack of legislation or the lack of possibilities for this material to be recycled or to be disposed of in a very environmentally friendly way. So the industry and the local, national, international authorities will have to come together and find a solution to this problem, because at the moment the boating industry is booming, and I am a little bit afraid that we might forget about our impact on the environment.
Hello, my name is Maarten. I'm one of the founders of La Bella Verde, a charter company in Ibiza. Born from the idea that leisure or tourism should not have any negative impact on the nature that we are trying to enjoy. We partnered up with Innovation Yachts in France, and with them we are now building a fully recyclable composite boat using a special custom-made epoxy, which is biocompatible, harmless to health and nature.